Serious about getting Fortune 500 clients? Here's why your business needs a website. Imagine this. You're reaching out to get your dream company as one of your clients. You wrote the perfect cold email copy, sent it to the CEO at the perfect time. He loved your ideas. He wants to book a call, but when he tries to click the link in your email, it gives a website under construction, or worse, this site can't be reached. All of a sudden, your chance of getting hired went from 90% to 0. Just because you didn't have a professional website. For agencies, a website is a must, but even if you're a freelancer and want to sell to bigger clients, you need to have a website. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why you need a website and how it can take your personal brand or business to the next level. One of the most important things you can do for your business is have a website. This can help you market and sell more products, reach new customers, and grow your business. A website is a gateway to everything online, and it's where most people go first when they're looking for something specific in their search engine results or want to research something specific on Google. When discussing the importance of having a website, the most essential component is having a reliable hosting provider. When it comes to website hosting, one of the most important things to consider is affordability. This video is sponsored by Hostinger. Hostinger offers some of the most competitive pricing options on the market, making it a great choice for business owners or individuals. But just because Hostinger's plans are affordable doesn't mean they skimp on performance. Hostinger's servers are powerful and their infrastructure is advanced, ensuring that your website is always fast loading and has reliable uptime. This is crucial for keeping your visitors engaged and coming back to your website. So let's go on over to Hostinger and see what we're gonna get in all the premium and business packages. We'll scroll on down here and we'll find hosting. And you can see they have 3 packages. They have single web hosting, which gives you 1 website, or the one that we're gonna click, which is premium web hosting, which is 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of storage, 25,000 monthly visitors, free email, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited databases, free SSL, and so much more, including a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 support, and 99.9% uptime. So we'll go through and we'll add this to cart for $279 a month. Very affordable for hosting. Now, when you get to the cart, you can see the more months you subscribe to, the more you save. We could just do the basic $10.99 a month, but why would we do that when we could choose 48 months and save $393? But that's not all, because we just click on have a coupon code, we type in my name, Alex Berman, hit apply, and all of a sudden this $158 package drops all the way down to $142. Look at that, instant savings just for being a viewer of this channel. So go ahead and sign up. All you gotta do is hit submit secure payment, and then you're signed up for Hostinger. You can build your site, you can host it all in one spot. So go on over to hostinger.com and sign up right now. Another great aspect of Hostinger is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not particularly tech savvy, you'll be able to easily navigate through their control panel and make any necessary adjustments to your Hostinger account. Look at this thing. This is beautiful. This looks so good. Just clicking, you're setting it up. That's amazing. Look at, and they just have this great dashboard here. Hostinger provides an all-in-one solution. You pay for hosting and you get a free domain, free email, access to WordPress, or access to a completely free Hostinger web builder. All the services you need to create an online presence. For businesses, a website is a great way to reach new customers and expand your customer base. A website allows you to showcase your products and services to a global audience 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It also provides customers with a convenient way to learn more about your business, make inquiries, and even make purchases without ever having to leave the comfort of their own homes. For individuals, a website can be a great platform to share your interests, talents, and experiences with the world. A website can be used to create a personal blog, share your portfolio of work, or even sell products or services. Having a website can also help you establish yourself as an authority in your field and increase your visibility and credibility. Lead generation is the process of finding and cultivating potential customers for your business or product. It's a vital aspect of any business as it helps to increase revenue and grow your customer base. In today's digital age, having a website is a crucial component of lead generation. A website is the first point of contact that many potential customers will have with your business. It's where they'll go to learn more about what you have to offer and decide whether they're interested in becoming a lead. A website that is professional, easy to navigate, and informative can be the difference between a potential customer becoming a lead or not. A website can also be a great tool for gathering data and insights about your potential customers. With the use of analytics, you can track the behavior of your website visitors, understand their preferences, and tailor your lead generation efforts accordingly. This can help you identify opportunities for growth and increase your revenue. And who doesn't want that? Additionally, a website can also help you establish yourself as an authority in your field. By providing valuable and informative content, you can position yourself as an expert in your industry and increase your credibility. This can help attract more potential customers and generate more leads. Don't miss out on the benefits of Hostinger hosting. Visit hostinger.com/Alex Berman and make sure to use the code Alex Berman to get an extra 10% off now, and make sure to test out their free website builder. With Hostinger's affordable pricing options and user-friendly interface, you'll have your website up and running in no time. Don't wait any longer. Take the first steps towards establishing a strong online presence and generating leads today. And make sure to catch the next video in the series where I create a website for a lead generation agency with Hostinger's website builder. Go ahead and subscribe down below, check out Hostinger, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.